Hey there foodies, in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to keep your meat chunks fresh, for as long as possible, when storing them. Whether you're storing them in the fridge or freezer, these tips will help you keep your meat fresh and safe to eat. Firstly, always store your meat in the fridge at a temperature of 40 F or below. This will help prevent the growth of bacteria that can cause foodborne illnesses. Make sure to wrap the meat tightly in plastic wrap or aluminum foil, and place it in an airtight container or freezer bag to keep the air out and prevent the meat from spoiling and absorbing any unwanted odors from other foods in the fridge. Secondly, if you're storing meat in the freezer, adding a little bit of cooking oil to the surface of the meat before freezing it can help keep it fresh even longer. The oil creates a barrier on the surface of the meat that helps prevent freezer burn and the formation of ice crystals. This will help keep the meat moist and tender when you thaw it out later. To do this, simply brush a light layer of cooking oil onto the surface of the meat before wrapping it and placing it in the freezer. You don't need to use a lot of oil, just enough to coat the surface of the meat. Lastly, make sure to thaw the meat properly when you're ready to use it. Always thaw meat in the fridge or in cold water, and never at room temperature, as this can cause the growth of bacteria. By following these tips, you can ensure that your meat chunks stay fresh and safe to eat for as long as possible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more food-related content.